Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here's your girl Naisha. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So in my previous video you guys asked me to make a video on how to apply lipstick and how to get fuller lips and plump lips. So my today's video is all about how to enhance your natural lips and how to get that fuller lip effect and plump lip effect without any needle on your lips. So you can see how fuller and plump my lips are looking right now. So it requires only 3 to 4 products, and all the products are mentioned in the description box below. So without further ado, let's begin. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't done yet. So before applying lipstick, always make sure to moisturize your lips to keep them from looking dry and cracked. So I'm using this lip balm from Forest Essentials and will apply on my lips nicely to avoid lipstick to look rough and uneven. In the second step, I'm using this concealer from Bobbi Brown in the shade Honey, and you can use any concealer which you have. I'm applying it on my lower lip and on my upper lip. Basically, I'm applying this to cover the original lip shape, and now I'm concealing it using a concealer brush. You can even use foundation if you do not have concealer. If you have pigmented lips, then you should never miss this step, and the color pops out really nicely when you apply lipstick over it. For the third step, I'm going to take this lip liner from MAC in the shade Spice, and in this step basically what you have to do is follow your lip shape, overline it, and keep checking that it's even. You can see how I'm overlining my lower lip area. I'm applying my lip liner slightly lower than the lip line, and now filling it using the same lip color. Now for your upper lip area, also repeat the same process, that is follow your lip shape first and nicely define your cupid's bow. It's very important to define your cupid's bow to have that perfect gorgeous lips. And I'm filling my lip liner, and now I'm overlining my lips. You can see how I'm overlining it, and make sure that it's even from everywhere. Lip liners gives a base color and helps your lipstick to last longer. You can already see how fuller and gorgeous my lips are looking. Now for the fourth step, I am taking Milani lipstick in the shade Loved, and this step is very effortless and very easy, as you just have to apply lipstick on top of your lip liner. And do not forget to make a pout and apply lipstick on your inner lip area, and with the help of your clean finger take out the excess lipstick so that it does not transfer onto your teeth. Next, I'll be taking 2 shade lighter lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Girlfriend and will apply onto the center of my lips, and will dab and blend with the help of my fingers to create the illusion of a fuller pout. And you can see how instantly my lips look so fuller and plump. To add some more plump effect, I am applying Lipinjection from Too Faced, and this product is just my favorite and it literally does wonders on lips. I am applying a single layer of this product onto my lips, and it will instantly give a plump effect. You can see the effects are clearly visible, so I'll let you decide. And after applying this, you will feel a tingling sensation, but do not worry, it will get over in 5 minutes and it will give a fuller and pouty effect instantly. It is not at all sticky and stays for good 2 to 3 hours. thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, do let me know in the comment section if it was helpful to you, and do let me know your suggestions that what next would you like to see, and I'll be more than happy to make a video on it. So see you in my next video. Till that time, take care and stay safe. Love you all.